Hi everybody and welcome at the Fontenay Bateau workshop. Very pleased today to introduce you l'Antò. This knife has been created in collaboration with the Zuria family from Bonifacio in the Corsican Iceland. The specs of the knife: 12 cm folded, 21 cm opened. This knife provides a solid blade lock. But which one? We call it in France la palanquille. La palanquille is the little lever located on the back of the knife. To close the knife, just lift the lever. The springs goes up and allows the blade to close. This one closes smoothly, resting on a blade stop system. This allows the blade to close without resting on the backspan to keep the blade sharp. L'Antò, as the whole of production, is handmade in a workshop located in Thiers, the French capital of cutlery. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. L'Antò is now available on the website www.fontenay-bateau.com. Bye!